Hello and welcome back, televiewers. If you are just coming across this channel for the first time, this is your go-to for social channel where we combine business, finance, technology, and innovation with vision and purpose. Yes, in today's topic, I will be talking about AI. I know AI has been out there for some time, and a lot of people have been using it and experimenting. While some people are still trying to get to understand what AI is still all about, some people are already far too deep into it. Okay. And one of the key issues that have come out from this artificial intelligence issue is the issue of jobs. Yeah, many people are saying that AI is taking jobs. AI will be taking jobs within a shortest period of time, and a lot of jobs will disappear. People will lose their jobs, and people will end up not even having jobs. And I can see that commotion is out there, and a lot of people are worried about their jobs, and the fact that some companies have started introducing robots in certain areas of their works, and thereby leading to the drop of numbers of employees, which companies are now hiring in certain areas of work. But I want to say something. Yes, while the institution of AI is getting more advanced every day and night, people like us who work from the perspective of business, entrepreneurship, as well as technology perspective, I think that AI is just swapping jobs. And instead of people to spend time thinking about AI taking their jobs, they should be asking themselves, how does AI work? Because I discovered that a lot of people don't even know how AI work. A lot of people just think that AI is all about entering into maybe ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and so many other AIs are out there, which are just the chatbot section, and then begin to type one question, ask one thing, and it tells you what it's all about, give you an answer that sometimes the answers are even wrong, because artificial intelligence is working on a lot of data. So that being said, the fact that people have to understand what AI is all about is the most important issue in this aspect, and to understand how it works is the most important thing that each and every individual out there should be doing if they want to have a means of sustainability within a long run. They should be thinking about this, because while AI have come to take some jobs, there are some jobs that I look at it as basic jobs or average jobs, which a lot of people can actually work there without being highly technical in terms of technology aspects and IT to be able to use AI and work in these areas. And one of those jobs, one of those key skills that I think people should be learning out there should be creative thinking. Now, the thing is, why creative thinking is the next question someone listening to this content will be asking. Because that is something that AI is not capable of doing. As of now, and to the short and to approximately 10 to 15 years, the way technology is growing, it will be very, very difficult for artificial intelligence to develop to the area that it will start thinking. Because artificial intelligence is built on data. It is built and works with data. And where is this data that artificial intelligence is working on coming from? The thing is, there are your ideas. Your ideas of people. Books that have been written for 100 years, brought together, experiments that have been done for years, scientifically brought together, all those data have been squeezed, including some contents like videos have been squeezed, documentaries, information has been squeezed and locked up in a database, and AI is being trained every day on how to improve on using this information to give people better answers on situations. And then now, talking about AI from an open source perspective, AI now has been developed in such a way that it also have capacity to penetrate websites, digital platforms, and extract information which is still being written by me and you and put in the internet. Take those things, bring and put in front of you, and you see them. So AI can actually survive without man. And why should you, as a man, surrender your confidence, your capability, your capacity of thinking, logical thinking, emotional thoughts, capability of understanding of situation and forecasting of circumstances? Why should you ignore this and be crying that AI is about to take your job? You are not supposed to be doing that. You are not supposed to be doing that. You're supposed to be reading books, trying to get logic. Why using artificial intelligence for people that are already started using artificial intelligence to do research? Yeah, people are using AI to do research, but it still just go extract data from internet and bring it to you for you to use. It can actually give field work, in-depth research on the field. It can only work on data extracted. AI is not a human being. So why should you be scared that AI is about to take your job? Instead, the people that should be scared about AI taking their job should be IT professionals who are not capable of thinking logically or don't have capabilities of creative thinking. So, if you are someone that is capable of generating ideas through thoughts or seeing things, reasoning them and thinking about them critically, you should know that it is time for you to start thinking how you can use your thoughts to make money. You can use your thoughts to make money. Use AI to expatiate your capacity of thinking to make money, rather than crying that AI is about to come and take your job. If you are working as a nurse, if you are working as a doctor, why? AI, even if tomorrow they build robots to the level that it will be able to execute an operation, I tell you it is risky. It is highly risky. It is highly risky. And it will lack, those robots will still lack the capability of sympathy, emotional capabilities to understand circumstances and work on them correctly. So people will always be needed in this area. So what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is that you out there thinking that AI has come to take your job, AI has not come to take your job. AI has come to help you ease your job. So instead of you being afraid of AI taking your job, you should be thinking about how you can use AI to make your job efficient. Yes. And if you are someone that you are not too good in terms of dealing with softwares and all this technology stuff, keep working on thinking. Keep working on thinking, because at the end of the day, if you are that kind of employee that can do one or two things, and then you have the capability to always give your boss an answer of a logical thinking when it comes in terms of generating brilliant ideas, I tell you, you'll be kept around. Because where data cannot meet results, creative thinking will bring it on board. I'm telling you, out of experience, I have introduced AI in workspace, and I know how AI is working in workspace. I use AI in so many circumstances, but I use it differently. And that is the next topic that I will be talking about in the next video. So I just wanted to bring you this content to assure you that you should not be worried about AI taking your job. You should be seeing areas, you should be looking for areas where AI can take your job from you. And one of the ways that you can do that is by understanding how AI works, what AI cannot do, and start working on those things that AI cannot do to make yourself valuable in the present and the nearest future. So that was what I have for you for this video today. Thank you. Stay blessed. Signing out. I'm Charles Thau.